Hi. In the previous session, we discussed about types of variables, operators, and conditional statements in Perl. In this session, we are going to see about regular expressions. Regular expression can be used to find patterns in strings. Three main uses of regular expressions in Perl are matching, substitution, and translation. The first one is matching. You need to mention M followed by this search pattern that you need to present inside the forward slash. Without this M also, we can just mention this pattern inside the forward slash. If you use this M for this, you can also use brackets, any brackets instead of this forward slash. This operator return true if pattern is found in $_. That means in default variable, it will check for this pattern. Then substitution, yes, forward slash, pattern, forward slash, replacement, forward slash. Here what it will do is, first it will search for the pattern in the given string or $_. After that, it will replace the pattern with the replacement variable value or string. Okay, then translation, tr forward slash characters forward slash replacement forward slash. Here it will translate a particular character into another character, or we can use this to change one type of case, uppercase to lowercase or lowercase to uppercase. You will see one by one. First one is a matching operator. The matching operator is used to find patterns in strings. Here in this example one, need to find is a variable. It holds this BBB string. $_, this is the given string. This $_ holds AAA, small b, BBB, capital A, AAA. Here we are going to print found BBB if this need to find is nothing but this BBB. You are searching for this BBB pattern in this $_ current variable or default variable. So it is there, right? So if it is there, if you are searching for a match for this BBB in the current string, if it is there, it will print found BBB. The output we will get as found BBB. Next example. So this example I will explain in server. Here from line number 12 to 19, the target is a variable that holds Perl. Open is a method used to open this file input.txt. Input.txt is this file. It contains some description about Perl. Here we are using Perl keyword, Perl. Then here also we have this Perl word. We are opening that input.txt file, and the input is the handle for that file. While of input, so this less than and this greater than represent, this less than represent is a read only, and this is greater than is used to represent write only. So using this input handle, we can able to read and write. You can do read and write with that file. While of this input, so it will read line by line. Here we have two lines. If it will run for 2 times this while loop. If slash forward slash target. So it is searching for this target Perl is present in the lines. So if it is there, it will print found. $target is nothing but Perl. On line $dot it tells the current line number. After that, we are closing the file with this standard input. We'll run this and check. Okay, found Perl on line 1. We are getting this line number 1. Okay, Perl is there. So that is the target Perl. Let's search in the given file. First line. We'll check it is there. So we are getting this print found Perl on line 1. So here it's a case sensitive. Okay. So here P is capital letter. In second line P is small letter. It will not take that small letter. So if you use this option I, that is ignore case, it will search for all the cases. So you will get found Perl on line 1, found Perl on line 2. So here this Perl also get matched. Again, one more example. So this example from line number 3 to 9. Here I'm going to explain the usage of binding operator. So this binding operator is used to search the given pattern in the given string. Here pattern is Perl. We need to search in the string. So string is nothing but Perl is a general purpose programming language. The given string, we are searching for this pattern. For that, we are using this binding operator. If it is there, it will return 1. So we will get this matched at the terminal, and this is for not match. Here we are searching for match. Here we are searching for not match. For example, here I used Python pattern. I want to search this pattern Python in the given string. Okay. Here I am just searching for it is not in the given string. It is not there, right? Python is not there. So if this is true, it will enter into this line and we will get not matched. I already told you can directly use this forward slash then pattern forward slash without mentioning this m. If you use m, you can use any type of brackets here. We will run this one. Perl is found in this string, so I get matched, and Python is not found in the string, so I'm getting not matched. Then next is the substitution operator. Is used to change the strings. Here in this example, need to replace a variable that holds a triple B string. Then replacement text is a variable that holds this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Dollar underscore, the default variable holds this one, triple A, triple B, triple A. Here, if yes, forward slash, you need to mention the pattern. Here, need to replace pattern triple B is this one. Okay, that triple B will be searched in the current variable. So it is there. Then dollar replacement text. So instead of triple B, we need to substitute this one. So it is true. When this is happening, it will return 1, true. So it will enter here and it will print replace the string. Then this dot, this is used for concatenation. Dollar underscore after replacement, it will become triple A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, then triple A. Then we are concatenating with the new line. So the output we will get as triple A, then 1 to 0, triple A. The next is translation operator. It is used to change individual characters. Here in this example, while $line equal to std. So using this std in, you are getting the user input, then that is assigned to this line variable. Here, using this binding operator, you are checking in this line variable, it contains the user input, right? So in that given input, we are going to translate upper characters into lower characters. Then we are going to print them. This one server. This ex11.pl example. The same example I explained, right? Same thing. Run this one. Enter string. So here it is written to convert lowercase into uppercase. I enter in lowercase. It will convert it into uppercase. Okay, it is a while loop, so it is continuously in this loop. Okay, whatever you enter, it will convert into uppercases. Okay. If you want to come out, press Ctrl C. It will kill the current process and it will exit. Then modifiers. So here this the pattern we can use after that search pattern. After the forward slash, you can mention this pattern. For this is especially used for matching operation. G, if you use this for match all possible pattern, and I ignore case. We already used this, right? Then M, treat string as multiple lines. O, only evaluate once, and S, treat string as single line, and X, ignore white space in pattern. Same way, you have the patterns options used in substitution operator. If you use G, change all occurrence of the pattern. I, ignore case in pattern. Then E, evaluate replacement string as expression. Then these options you can use along with the translated operator. C, translate all character not specified D. Delete all specified characters. Yes. Replace multiple identical output character into single character. So you will see few of these options. For example, here example 12. Okay, first one is X. Okay. The usage of X is it ignores the white space in the pattern. So this is the pattern. We need to search in the given string. String is nothing but this one. So this is there inside the string. Inside that string, we need to search the Perl pattern. So here I use the white space. To ignore that, I am using this option X after this forward slash. So if it is get matched, it will return 1. So I will get this output Perl matched in the string. Let's check it. So I'm getting Perl matched in this string. So here it ignored the white space. Same way, we have I and G. I is used to ignore case, and G, if you represent G, it will search globally. Here in this string, you see Python is here. Okay, again, you have this Python term, but here it is in uppercase. P is in uppercase. Here it is in lowercase. I need to search. Okay, here I use yes, that is substitution. Instead of Python, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for Python in the given string using this binding operator. Then I'm going to replace with Perl. Here I use the option I, so it will ignore the cases. So here we have two Python. It will consider this Python also. Okay, if I use G, it will replace globally. Here and here it will change. If I didn't use this G, it will change the first where the Python occurs first. There only it will make the change. Okay, now for this condition, you see Perl, the output Perl is popular programming language, and Perl can be used to create web applications. So everywhere Python is changed into Perl. If I didn't give this G, see only first Python is changed into Perl. Here it is not changed. So make it global. Everywhere if you want to change, you need to pass the option G. Then in translator operator, C option. Translate all the character not specified. When you represent C, translate all the character not specified. That means here I mentioned the range A to Z, small lowercase a to Z, or uppercase A to Z. So it will check for not specified. So here everything is under the A to Z, small a to Z, and capital A to Z. The not specified is that white space. Here I didn't specify the white space. So not specified is white space. So this white space will be translated into this underscore. So here see, hello everyone. So here it introduced the underscore instead of that white space. And next is D, is used to delete. Here in this given string, in between hello everyone, some symbols are there. Here I have art and star, and then percentage, dollar. So use here I'm searching for these symbols. and I am going to delete using this delete option. So I didn't mention here for translate, just leave that as empty. So these symbols are deleted and we are getting hello everyone. Then use of this yes option, it replace multiple identical character into a single character. If you see in the given string Perl, it contains two E. So here using this translate operator, we are converting the small cases into uppercase and we are using this option yes. So it will be converted into uppercase and the same identical repetition will be replaced with the single character. So we will get capital letters Perl. Instead of 2E, here we are getting single E. Okay, then some meta character and meta escape sequences. These meta character and sequences you can use along with the pattern. So if you represent this cap, it tells that match start of the string. This dollar indicates matches end of the string. Then dot matches any character except new line. Then this backward slash yes matches a white space character. To represent capital S, backward slash capital S matches non-white character. In the same way, we have some more meta sequences. Backward slash D matches any digit. Backward slash capital D matches any non-digit. Small w matches any word character. And backward slash capital W matches any non-word character. Backward slash B matches any word boundary. Then backward slash capital B matches anywhere except the word boundary. And we have some quantifiers like it tells that specify the number of occurrence. We use this question mark or wildcard operator. It tells that 0 or 1 number of occurrence per match. Star a word can be 0 or more number of occurrence per match. Then plus symbol 1 or more number of occurrence per match. Then within the curly bracket to represent the value, here it is n, exactly n number of occurrence per match. If you mention n comma, then you leave as it is. It tells that word can be n or more number of occurrence per match. Then you can mention between a range in this curly bracket n comma m. That means a word can be between n and m number of occurrence for a match. And we have character classes like define a class of character to match. If we define like this, within this forward slash, inside the square bracket, if I mention like this A, E, I, O, U, it will search for any vowels for match. You can define a class of characters. Used to define a contiguous range. If I mention hyphen within this square bracket, A hyphen Z. That means within A to Z, any alphabet is there in this string, it will get match. Then use this cap symbol to match inverse set. That means inside this square bracket, I'm mentioning the range A to Z capital and A to Z small. If I mention this cap, except that if anything is there in the string, that will get matched. For example, digits are present here, that will get matched. Non-letters. Okay, for that I will see an example here. Here there are two examples. One is this one. Here my array that holds this list of elements, subject, mark, and subject signs, and mark this one. Using for each, it will happens for 4 times because 4 elements are there. Then here I am checking at the first iteration, this dollar underscore holds this subject GK. Here I use this backward slash S. The use of backward slash S is used to match white spaces. Okay. Here it will happens 4 times. For each happens 4 times. Okay. Each time it will check the current value or current variable value containing white space or not. Here we don't have white space. Next iteration, here have white space, mark white space, then 73.5. Okay. So here this will get match and it will print match white space, and it will print this one, marks space 73.5. Okay, I am printing this dollar underscore also. This match white space, so only we are getting this element because it's containing white space. So this such pattern matches with this element, so it is printing that one. The second if condition, I use this wildcard question mark. It tells 0 or 1 number of time occurrence for match. Here it may be 0, that means nothing is there. M or Ks is, if it is there in the string M or Ks, it will get match. Or any values, any one of the character is present, like MA or Ks is present in the given string, it will get match. Or ME or Ks, any letter, okay, it is there, it will get match, and it will print this match using quantifiers. Here if you see in this element, first it will hold this one dollar underscore, so it will not get match. Second time M A, so in this MER case, okay, in this position it may be any character, okay. So this will be get match, so you will get this one here, okay. And then this MRKS, this also get matched because I use this question mark, this wildcard. So 0 or 1 element, that may be anything is there, it will get matched. So this MARKS underscore 80.5 also get matched. We are getting that as that in the output. The next example, here I used one file, example 13.txt. In this file, you have subject English marks 95.5, then subject max marks 79.5. So here using open, I open the file ex13.txt and the handle is def. Here I gave a write and read permission for that file. I'm accessing here. It will run for 4 times. Each time we take line by line. Here, using this if condition, I am checking the current variable, your default variable. First iteration, it will hold this one, and it will check for all these possibilities. Here I used this cap yes. That tells that here I am going to search for the pattern. I'm going to search for a match for the given pattern. Here I used this cap yes that tells first letter of the string should be capital S, and this bracket dot star, that means after that it may be anything. Okay, first letter should be capital S. Here you see this subject and this subject. So this line number 1 and 3 are in capital letter. So those output I will get. It will print string start with S. Okay, string start with S. I'm getting subject English and string start with this subject max. These two things I am getting for this condition. And the next 19th line. Here I am checking string ends with yes, small s. Okay, using this dollar, I am mentioning string ends with small s. Okay, this dot star in the bracket, that means it may be anything before that. Okay, but that string should be end with yes and finally. So here you have only one subject dot maths. Okay, it only ends with s, right? So if you see string ends with s, subject maths, that we are getting. Okay. Then this backward slash d that represent digits, okay, any digits. So we are going to search for a match the given string for any digit. So here any digit is present in this line and in this line, 2 and 4. So those we are getting match digits and match digits 95.5 and match digits 79.5. These two we are getting for this condition. Then here line number 27, I am searching for a match underscore present in the given string. So where underscore is present here, line number 4. Okay. So it is printing pattern match with underscore mark 79.5. So for this condition, we are getting this output. Then here I am going to search for a match. The pattern is backward slash w, that indicates word. Okay. It is small w. Here represent capital W is a non-word. Small w, this curly bracket 5 tells there should be 5 words. After that, underscore within this square bracket, I am mentioning this the range you can mention, or you can use here underscore or white space. If anything present, it will get match. After that, I am mentioning the range 70 to 80. If you see here, 5-letter word. Here 5-letter word is marks. Okay. After that, underscore is there, it will get match. or forward backward slash s represent white space. If any white space is there, it will get matched. Here after 5 words, white space is there. Here we have this underscore, so both are get matched, and I need to get the output. Mark should be 70 to 80. Marks when the mark is 70 to 80, those only I need to get as output. So I can represent the range here. In the square bracket, can represent the range 70 to 80. So it will check here which one is within that range. This one, line number 4 is 79. So it will get matched. We are getting marks match 70 to 80 for the getting this marks underscore 79.5. So here this is used to represent the number of words. And this within square bracket you can mention the range, or you can represent whatever if you represent A, B, C, D, when A or B or C or D, if it is present, it will get passed. Likewise, you can mention the range of class inside this square brackets. After that, we are closing this file. Okay, then remaining concepts we will discuss later.